Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us.
Have you ever seen an amazing TikTok video and thought, I wish I could post this on my own account? Well, what if I told you there's a simple way to share it in just a few seconds, without breaking any rules? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share someone else's video on your own TikTok account the correct and safe way. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Once it opens, you'll land on the home feed where you can scroll through videos. Now find the video that you want to share on your account. When you open the video, look at the bottom right side of the screen. You'll see the share icon. Go ahead and tap on that. After tapping the share button, a menu will appear with several options. Here, you'll see the repost option. Simply tap on repost, and that's it. The video has now been shared on your account through reposting. Now here's the important part. You cannot download someone else's video and upload it as your own. That goes against TikTok's terms and conditions and could get your account in trouble. The only proper way to share someone else's content is by using the repost feature. If you ever want to undo the repost, just go back to the same video, tap the share icon again, and select the option to delete repost, and it will be removed instantly. That's how simple it is.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.